Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do the bird call. Now, it's actually pretty simple, and it sounds like this. I learned this a few years back, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So, how you do it is you take one of your hands and you cup it, sort of like that. Just make like a nice little cup. And you take your other hand, and right where your fingers begin, you place that cup on that. And then you just take your fingers and wrap it around. Then I usually take right here, I don't know what this is, and I put it right here, starting at new one. So, yeah. And then I just fold my fingers over, even in the back, and make sure there's no air coming out. And you sort of get a little opening for air. That's about how big you should keep your opening. Not too big. And you just blow lightly, straight downward. You keep your lips right on your top of your knuckle right here and your bottom. So it should sound like this. And that's all you really get. And then you could tune it out with your hand by just going like that. And that's how you do it. See you, YouTube.